one. We need a bigger one for this excavator. Like a real excavator. Yeah. Yeah, like a real one. Like a real one. Hey, look, I'm doing it. Look, I did it. Then I have to move this dirt out. Mama, I found a June bug.
You did. Let me see.
See? I found a June bug.
Where is it?
Right there. Hey guys, do you want to dig a big hole for me? A big hole for the excavator? See, Mama?
Oh.
Mama, take a picture of it.
I did. I took video of it.
I take